Well, g'day and welcome to Hibbo's Model Bench. Finished the turrets, gonna start something new, so let's get on to it. Alright, so welcome back. Awesome time away at work last week. Loved it. Bloody hard work. Banging steel pickets into iron ore. Impossible. Took me 25 minutes to do one picket. Had to find the nice soft spot. Anyway, so as I said at the start, I finished the turrets, just finished them probably about half an hour ago. So all four are done. There's actually 6 more pieces I need to put on, but I'll show you those in a minute. They're tiny little rings, and I have one gun to build and put onto one of the turrets. So head down to the model bench. So, as you can see, turrets are completed. So I've got the wings on. You can see all the little gold, all the photo etch. Got the ladders on the sides there. This is a completely different one. So, see on the ladders there's other parts. I will say, try not to get the accelerator, CA accelerator onto the plastic, because it discolours it, so that should be that colour. As you can see, this one is a bit lighter, but that one's a completely different sort of gun anyway, because it's got your little bit in the middle there where I've got to put a photo etch gun. So what we need to do to finish the guns totally is, you can only just see, look at this toothpick here, you can only just see there's a little circle, like a little disc, the photo etch disc. So there's another 6 of those that have to go on. I'm not going to actually put those on yet. I'm going to wait until I'm a bit close to painting. So what I'm going to do is get out one of my plastic containers. I'm missing the lid. And I'm going to put, excuse me for a second, just broke one. So I'm going to put my turrets. Alright, put those away. Alright, so that part is complete. So the next part I'm going to do is just going to put, I'll just get the, I'll zoom in so you can see. Oh, hang on for a sec, I'll be back in 1 second. Alright, so I'm back. As you can see, an Outlaw Paints sticker. Legend of a bloke, owns the company, Jason. Forgot I was having a coffee, so my Aussie Modelers Live Cup with Aussie Scar Modeler on the side there, and Outlaw Paints. So I got myself a nice black coffee. So, it's hot. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, I'll zoom in. Let me just take my spectacles off so I can see the distance. Move across a little bit. There we go. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to be putting on the bottom of the hull the screw parts for all the screw and everything, and I might even put the rudders on. I do have to go to Mass Hobbies today because I have to purchase some more paints for this. Speaking of paints, got a shit tin of, I'll just go get them and show you. Shit tin of stuff from Jason. So I've got a bucket. So Joe sent me a Outlaw Paints rust colour set. And a whole heap of other paints. So I've got a gloss black. He sent me one. Find it. with the label upside down. There we go. Send me one with the label upside down. Well, that's a grey primer. So, got to give it a good shake. So I'm looking forward to trying these out. Obviously, you can't get plastic spoons anymore. So I'm just looking at that when it's upside down. You can see all the pigment. Looks unreal. But it does have a fairly funky smell. Because it is enamel acrylic. Sorry, acrylic lacquer. So, yeah, there you go. Outlaw Paints. Get onto it, people. www.outlawpaints.com.au. And don't forget the wonderful Mr. and Mrs. Sticky, that Icky Sticky, at www.ickysticky.com.au. So, what I'm going to be doing is I will be putting parts onto this part of the hull. And just here, you can see those little parts there. Putting them there. I'm going to be sanding this bit off because I'm pretty sure that shouldn't be like that. Or should it? It might be meant to be like that, I'm not sure. I have to drill holes there to put the rudders in. So I drill holes to put rudders in there. They're a 2.5mm hole. Yeah. So I will get back to you once I've done those. Actually, I'll just show you. Oops, shit, made a mess. Just show you what I'll be doing. Oh, also, so I've ticked off part 1 of the Edward photo etch for the turrets. And this is the gun I have to make. There's about 8 or 9 bends in that. So I'm just seeing if there's anything that goes on the bottom of the hull photo etch wise. I haven't actually looked that far yet. It doesn't look like it does. So, no, it doesn't. So, what I need to do, just put that over there, is I need to get, just get this part off. This is part 15. Just have a quick look at it. I'll just take the hat off and put my magnifying glasses on. I'll just zoom out again a little bit. Alright. Oh, that's anything that oh, there's a bit of a seam line here. I'll just get rid of that bit. So I do have more paints on order from Mass Hobbies. There's a bit of flashing. So I'm going to get some more blades for the knives. Seam line that runs all the way along there. So just a little take off there, a little bit. A little sprue, it's a screw area. Sprue connection point. So a bit of flashing on the end there. Just give that a nice shave off. Try to get this all nice and so I'm back. I did do a bit of a video on the build before, but it didn't work very well. The camera I'm looking at now wasn't turned on, so I have it on the webcam, but not my big camera. So if you just come back down to the model table, you can see I've done the shaft holder bits, whatever they're called, and these fin parts there, and also the rudders. I'm tossing up whether to do these portholes first, like drill them out, or give the whole ship a bit of a prime. But I do have to look to make sure, because there are ladders that come down. This ladder there, There's a ladder there and a ladder there. I'm not sure if they have to come off. There's actually 4 ladders there. Not sure if they have to come off and put some photo etch, because there's also the same obviously on the other side. Just got myself an Apple Watch today, so part of the cool group now. I can't do what I want to do next, which is the decks, because I am actually doing what Nigel does. So we'll just come up to the big camera again. So I'm actually doing what Nigel does. He did a tutorial type thing for Ron Calverley. So go and have a look at that on Nigel's modelling bench. Or Nigel's model bench. I can't remember exactly which one it is. There's too many benches and too many models and only one Nigel, which is a good thing. Yeah, I won't go into it. No, he's a top bloke, Nigel. So I've lost all. Oh, that's right. I'm doing the wooden deck painting like he does it. So I have to go to the model shop tomorrow to get the paints for those. So yeah, so I can't do much more. I've had a look at the destructions, and there's not a lot I can see that I can actually do. I could make the ship's boats. I could also make the aircraft, but I might just wait, have a bit more time. No, I want to do more. So I'll work something out. So anyway, this is it for this video. So please like and subscribe. If you don't like the video, hit that thumbs up twice. Or sorry, the thumbs down twice, I should say. Let me know you really hate it. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. I'm getting close to that 1,000, but still a long, long way from the 4,000 view hours. Haven't even hit 1,000 view hours yet. So yeah, so please watch a few videos, especially if you're new to subscribing or new to the channel. Watch a few. You know, go to the start. You know, watch 1 or 2 at the start, watch 1 or 2 in the middle, then watch a couple at the end, just to see the improvement and how I've increased my skill at this hobby. So I just got a very itchy eye. Yeah, so please remember to go check out Jason at Aussie Scale Modelling, Pete at Auscale Modeller. I think I've got those 2 right. There's, again, too many modellings and modelers. Nigel, we've got Ice Queen 7, we've got Plastic Monkey, we've got Chris Connie Bear. Also, please, if you're in Australia, go check out www.outlawpaints.com.au and www.ickysticky.com.au. Great Australian product and great Australian people. So, yeah. So anyway, don't forget to join us live on Sunday for Aussie Modelers Live. It's an early one for us. I'm thinking 8 o'clock for me. So, and that'll be the day before hopefully I'll go bush again. So anyway, I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.